Having trouble connecting your realme phone to a PC via USB? It could be due to the wrong USB mode, a faulty cable, or outdated drivers. In this video, we'll cover simple methods to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Let's get started. Part 1. How to fix realme phone not connecting to PC. 8 methods. Way 1. Enable USB debugging. Go to Settings About Phone and tap the version number 7 times to enable developer mode. Go to Settings System Developer Options and enable USB debugging. Way 2. Use another data cable. Way 3. Install Connect Assistant software. Install Phone Connect Assistant. Connect your realme phone to the PC via USB. Enable USB debugging and choose USB transfer mode. Follow the prompts to finish. Way 4. Update the PC's USB driver. Right-click on My Computer, This PC, and select Manage in the left pane. Click on Device Manager, then locate and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers on the right. Right-click the USB driver and choose Update Driver Software. Way 5. Modify Generic USB Hub. Right-click This PC Properties. Open Device Manager, expand USB. Click USB Hub Properties. Uncheck Allow Shutdown, Restart, and Reconnect. Way 6. Quit Security Software. Windows Security. Open Windows Security. Turn off Real-Time Protection. Antivirus. Right-click Tray icon. Disable. Firewall. Control panel. Turn off Windows Defender Firewall. Way 7. Ensure a SIM card is inserted properly. Way 8. Update realme system. Part 2. How to connect realme to PC. Wirelessly robust. If the problem persists, reset the phone's network settings, try a different computer, or contact realme support. You can also connect wirelessly using Mobikin Assistant for Android. Activate Wi-Fi on your realme phone and connect to a reliable network. Download and install Mobikin Assistant for Android on your device. Open the APK file, select Scan QR code, and scan the code on your computer. Ensure both devices are on the same network to establish a wireless connection. When the connection is created, you can manage your realme phone as you desire by following the on-screen options. Further, you also have the ability to back up and restore your device with a single click.